Welcome to the world of unyielding determination and relentless perseverance. The journey to become an Indian Administrative Service Officer isn't for the faint of heart. It's a race that demands your all and rewards you with the power to change the world. Imagine a position of influence where your decisions shape the future of millions. Picture yourself as the civil servant, the policymaker, the guardian of public interest. The path might be steep, the hours long, and the syllabus vast. But remember, every champion was once a contender who refused to give up. Success is no accident. It's hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love for what you are doing or learning to do. So rise up, take that first step, dive into the ocean of knowledge. Embrace the challenge and become the architect of a better tomorrow. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible. This is your call to greatness. Answer it.